Welcome to Stone Hands, to the hands of stone. A simple strategy that will give you anything and everything that you ever desired. You have to ask what you need. As little children, we tend to ask everything that we need. Mommy, tits, ice cream, I want this. This is mine. But when we go to school, we tend to forget our innate ability to ask. We are told, be silent, listen, be careful, and we tend to neglect our innate ability to manifest our desired outcome on anything. And I learned it hard way. Actually, our premises, this land, our house and this greenhouse, everything I built with my own hands. But I had to ask for funding for it to be possible to manifest it in this reality. So I asked and I built. So I started a voice academy in my native language. And my marketing strategy was easy. I made offers. I spoke up to people. Maybe we have got this kind of an offer going on and maybe you want to join. I wrote to many thousands of people a personal message and I asked from them. And many of them were surprised and joined because they felt the calling. But if I had not asked, they would never known that there was such opportunity. And I have experienced it in many other aspects in my life as well. I hope this is useful for you and you'll learn to ask. And it can be difficult in the beginning, so you can try. You go to your local organic store, whatever, and you ask a 5% discount. You see someone and you ask, like, can you help me with this? You post on your local Facebook group, hey, I need those materials to manifest my dream. And you start to grow your asking muscle and you begin to endure the mightiest way of self-improvement, of growing your own field and your belief system that everything is possible. Asking makes you strong, because in the individualistic society where we are living nowadays, there is like everyone stands for their own. No, we are a collaborative race. We are meant to collaborate and cooperate. When we work together for a higher good, we achieve the greatest success. So this is my success story, my success exercise for you. Go right to your 10 friends on Facebook, on LinkedIn, whatever, and ask something from them. You can ask, how are you? But you can ask for a favor if you need one. I wish you all the best and see you soon.